Jump rope drills, mastering the basics. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, jump rope drills. This is a common phrase used in fitness and exercise contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your English vocabulary, especially in the realm of physical activities. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Jump rope is a tool used for exercising, consisting of a long rope with handles that you swing over your head and under your feet, jumping over it each time it reaches your feet. A drill, in this context, refers to a type of exercise or practice routine. Therefore, jump rope drills are exercises or routines that involve using a jump rope. There are various jump rope drills, each with its own purpose and level of difficulty. Some common ones include 1. Basic jump. This is where you jump with both feet at the same time, with the rope passing under your feet once with each jump. 2. Alternate foot jump. In this drill, you alternate your feet during the jumps, similar to a jogging motion. 3. Double unders. A more advanced drill where the rope passes under your feet twice with each jump. Jump rope drills are not just fun, they are also incredibly beneficial for your health. They improve your coordination, agility, speed, and cardiovascular health. Additionally, they are a great way to burn calories and can be done almost anywhere. If you're new to jump rope drills, here are some tips. Start with the basic jump and gradually progress to more complex drills. Focus on timing and rhythm. It's not about how fast you can jump, but how consistently you can maintain the rhythm. Use a rope that is the right length for your height. Practice on a soft surface to reduce impact on your joints. Jump rope drills can be included in your workout routine in various ways. As a warm-up exercise to get your heart rate up. In interval training, alternating with other exercises. As part of a circuit training session, where you do several exercises in a sequence. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice will greatly improve your skills. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what jump rope drills are and how you can incorporate them into your fitness routine. They're a fun and effective way to stay fit and improve various physical skills. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next English learning video. Happy jumping!